This is the final video to fix the missing regional pricing on Roblox after an account hack. And if you're seeing strange prices or nothing at all, you're not alone. Many players face this problem because Roblox resets account settings when it detects suspicious activity, and your regional data can get wiped or blocked. Most tutorials online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't really work. But on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that brings your prices back instantly. All you need to do is adjust your account region safely through the official Roblox settings and refresh your cache, which restores the correct pricing without risking your account. It's quick, easy, and works every time. If you want, comment below, and I'll make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly what to click so you never miss your regional prices again.